Hi, today I am introducing call poster on iOS 17 and how set up it. The call poster means you can assign or create photos, images, and patterns or emoji on your caller IDs. Easily set up from your iPhone's internal set. First, go to save number or add number. Go to contract, edit your caller ID, then select for add photos, then select photos. If you want to zoom and zoom out your color photos, tab on color name and manually change font and font color, font style and font color. If you want to change the background of your color, you can change manually background color. Go to done, continue, then crop caller ID, profile picture when your phone is unlocked. Use any filter from here and go to done, continue, and done. Tadang tadang. Then now I am call from that caller on this phone. Now see your caller on full screen and name is beautiful, also on standby mode. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.